AI Video Page Overview. The AI video page is where you'll spend most of your time creating videos. It's designed to help creators bring their ideas to life with powerful tools and cutting-edge technology. Text-to-video technology. This feature converts written descriptions into fully realized videos, enabling creators to visualize concepts directly from their words. While it can be useful, I don't recommend relying on it, as the results may often be inaccurate. Image-to-video feature. This feature transforms a static image into a dynamic video by adding movement, depth, and context. Here's how it works. Image analysis. The AI detects elements in the image, such as objects, backgrounds, and their spatial relationships. Motion simulation. The system applies movement to the identified elements, such as animating a walking character, waving trees, or flowing water. Video output. Enhancements like transitions, zooms, or environmental changes are applied to bring the image to life. To effectively use the image-to-video feature, you'll need to go through Module 8 of the course, focusing on mid-journey. This module will guide you step by step on how to create engaging images so you can transform them into videos.